got passenger power in race 4. He's working extremely well. Competitive field, we've got 1 or 2 horses to beat. He's under sufferance a bit, but with the 50 kg, he should run a big race. Future King in race 5, he needed his last start and he'll be much suited to the 1800. He's got a decent draw. Gabella Matsanyani up. It's got an each way chance. And then race 6, I've got the 3 horses, Kings Express, Latuli and Twin Turbo. Kings Express is working extremely well. Thank God we've got some work into our horses now. Competitive field, but he must be included in everyone's exotics. Latuli obviously is a reserve one, so let's see if he gets a run, but his work's been good. If he does get a run, he's got a galloping weight, got a good draw, up in class, but he never disappoints. And then Twin Turbo, he's got the 4 kilo claimer on. He's doing well back at home. He needed his last start. Obviously, he doesn't have the greatest of draws, but he's a bit of an old campaigner now. We'll see or gauge him from this run. If he doesn't run too well, we'll rather retire him. Wings Within Me, she's in race 7, running over the 1400. Doing well back at home. We're trying something different. We're taking the tongue off, trying over a bit further. If she does see at the 14, she should run into the money. And then in race 8, I've got Last Car to Pass. She's coming off a bit of a rest. I've decided to take the earmuffs off. Her sand work in there has been good. I haven't got a proper grass galloping to her. She'll need the run. Omar Gucci Girl, you can ignore. She's in race 9. You can ignore last start. I think the 1600 was a touch too far. Competitive fillies a mere handicap, but she's a type of filly that can surprise. And in race 10, Chabelle, first run from a rest from the maidens, doing well back at home, but he's a type horse that's looking for the 18-2000, and I'll think he'll need the run.